Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Danny from Dahua Overseas Business Center. Today, we'll check out a dual lens camera that utilizes AI to provide full color images with a seamless 180-degree field of view. Introducing the Dahua Full-Color Dual-Lens 180-degree splicing camera. Here's the product box. You can see the model number and basic information here. Let's open up the box and see what's inside. It comes in a metal casing with an IP67 rating. It is equipped with two 3.6mm fixed focal lenses, making it a dual lens camera with a 180-degree field of view. Underneath the lenses are two warm lights on each side. Below that is a built-in microphone and speaker that supports two-way talk. For full color images, each camera lens supports an f1.0 aperture and 1/1.8-inch CMOS sensor to collect more light for brighter, clearer images. It also supports 140 decibel WDR, which can provide a resolution of 4096 by 1800 at 20 frames per second when WDR is on. You may be wondering, how did these two lenses create a single 180-degree image? Let me explain in 3 simple steps. First, the right and left lenses capture an image. Second, standardized image correction technology calculates the value features of the left and right images to prevent warping and pixel loss. And third, seamless splicing is produced through the Dahua Advanced Pixel Level Metadata Fusion algorithm. With these technologies, one camera can provide you with a seamless 180-degree wide-angle image in a large area. As I mentioned, the f1.0 aperture provides full-color images by allowing more light to be captured. Compared with the f1.6 aperture, the light intake is 3 times larger. The image is brighter and clearer, as seen in this example. The camera also has a built-in mic and speaker that supports two-way talk. By connecting through the network, you can communicate through the camera anywhere at any time. The Dahua Full-Color Dual-Lens 180-degree splicing camera also supports EPTZ, which provides a panoramic image for a wide view and sub-images to focus on a specific area or target. The EPTZ function offers 5 different layouts or modes. Each mode includes a wide-angle view that can hold 1, 3, or 5 different sub-images for a more convenient security and surveillance experience. The Dahua Full-Color Dual-Lens 180-degree splicing camera supports multiple AI functions, including perimeter protection and people counting. Check out these videos to see them in action. Perimeter protection uses a deep learning algorithm to accurately identify humans and vehicles in the rural area. It supports up to 6 types of rules and can provide real-time notifications. People counting can track and process moving human body targets to realize accurate statistics. It can provide valuable data for business report analysis. The camera is versatile and suitable for multiple applications. It's ideal for scenarios that may require a wider angle, such as factories, warehouses, stadiums, and more. Overall, the Dahua Full-Color Dual-Lens 180-degree splicing camera saves installation time and costs by surveilling a large area with one camera. Unlike traditional cameras, it supports two-way talk so that you can communicate anytime, anywhere. Also, with its large aperture and CMOS sensor, the camera can provide 24/7 full-color images even at night. Thanks for checking out this video. As always, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Danny. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification icon. Stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a safer society and smarter living.